Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, friends, and good morning, Miss. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Didik Maulana. I'm from the Mechanical Engineering Study Program. I will present the key concept, arguments, and significance of the article entitled Integration of Renewable Energy Source into a Mechanical System, focusing on efficiency and reliability, a case study. Okay, next slide, the introduction and the big picture. Yes. The main topic in the article is analyze the efficiency and reliability of renewable energy technologies when integrated into mechanical infrastructure. The topic is important because a viable option to lessen dependence on fossil fuels and minimize greenhouse gas emissions is through the incorporation of renewable energy source into mechanical system. And the main goal of the article is offer insight into the design, implementation, and optimization of renewable energy system within mechanical infrastructure through a thorough investigation of case study and real-world example. Next slide. What are mechanical systems? A mechanical system is a system consisting of various components that usually change in force to carry out operation or task based on its working principles. Here are a few typical illustration and traits of mechanical system. First, a power generation system. This device transforms different energy sources into electricity that might be used in commercial and industrial setting. Power plants, generator, turbine, and electrical grids are example of this system. Fossil fuel-based systems like coal and natural gas and renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are example of power generation technology. Second, renewable energy system. This energy system use biomass, wind, water, and sunshine to create mechanical, thermal, or electrical power, solar photovoltaic or PV panel, wind turbine, hydroelectric generator, biomass boiler, and geothermal heat pumps are a few types of renewable energy system. In addition to reducing climate change, this system provides fossil fuel substitutes that are sustainable. Third, a heavy AC system for home, business, and automobile to remain comfortable inside. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or heavy AC system are necessary. In order to maintain the comfort and health of occupants, the system control temperature, humidity, and air quality. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, ductwork, and control system are the usual component of heavy AC system. Uh, Fourth, the transportation system. These include the vehicles, infrastructure, and logistic network that are used to move material, people, and things from one place to another. Transportation networks comprise vehicles such as cars, trucks, bus, trains, aircraft, ships, and people lines. These networks are essential for enabling communication, travel, and business. And last, the water and wastewater system. The system includes the facility and method of treatment used to manage wastewater and provide clean water to business and community. Stormwater management system, distribution network, sewage treatment facility, pumping station, and water treatment plants are some example of the system. Okay, the next slide, the types of renewable energy. The first one, there's solar power. Among the most plentiful renewable energy source accessible is solar power. It can be used to directly produce electricity from sunshine using photovoltaic or PV panel, or it can be used to provide heat for mechanical processing using solar thermal system. The example is solar panel. Next, the wind energy. Another plentiful and easily accessible renewable resource is wind energy. With the utilization of wind turbine, mechanical energy from the wind kinetic energy can be transformed into electrical power for mechanical system. The example is wind turbine. And last, the hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power produce electricity by harnessing the energy of flowing water. The mechanical energy of flowing water can be converted into electrical energy by mechanical device like water turbine and hydroelectric power. Next slide. Key benefit of integration. Three most important advantages of combining renewable energy with mechanical system are reduce environmental impact. It's important because mechanical system have the potential to drastically cut greenhouse gas emission and pollutants flying to conventional energy generation by utilizing renewable energy source by producing clean energy with little to no emission. Renewable energy technology help to slow down global warming and safeguard the quality of the air and water. And two, resilience to climate change by lowering susceptibility to harsh weather interruption in the energy supply and geopolitical hazard related to fossil fuels dependence. The integration of renewable energy sources improve resilience to climate change. Renewable energy power mechanical system can endure climate change, endure climate related problem and help construct infrastructure that is resilient to climate change. And three, energy independence. By diversifying energy source and lowering reliance on imported fossil fuel, the integration of renewable energy improve energy security. Renewable energy power mechanical system can function without the need for centralized power grids, increasing community and company energy autonomy and resilience against disturbance. Okay, the next slide, major challenge and stage. The first, intermittency and variability. Because a lot of renewable energy sources, including wind and solar energy, are inherently intermittent and variable, which means that the amount of energy that produced varies depending on the time of day and the weather. And second, grid integration and stability. Because this has system-wide consequence and often require costly operational change or infrastructure upgrade. Third, the energy storage. Because storage determine whether renewable generation can be made use reliably in mechanical system. The fourth, cost and economic. What cost and economic? Because must strike a balance between predict benefit and payback period, as well as the economic feasibility of renewable energy integration. Five, regulatory and policy consideration. Because regulatory obstacle, permission needs, and policy ambiguities that impact project development and funding might provide difficulties. And sixth, location and resource availability. Because geographic location and environmental factor influence the balance and availability of renewable energy resource. And last, technological compatibility. Because this calls entail modifying parts to cap inputs from renewable energy source, installing new control system, or retrofitting already existing equipment. The next slide, discussion and conclusion. The main finding about efficiency and reliability is renewable energy can successful power mechanical system when optimized for efficiency and reliability. Then why efficiency and reliability crucial for successful renewable energy integration? Because the efficiency method for improving the effectiveness of renewable energy integration through in-depth analyze by maximize the effectiveness using renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydroelectric power, and other. Then reliability ensure system can operate continuously in real-world conditions. For mechanical system to perform as intended, they need to function consistently and predictably. And what is overall conclusion of the case study? Overall conclusion, integration is possible and beneficial, but must take into account the quality of the design, storage solution, and intelligent control system. And the last slide, critical reflection. Renewable energy can successful power mechanical system when optimized for efficiency and reliability. And key finding, first, integration reduce environmental impact. Second, hybrid energy system improves stability. Third, energy storage is essential for reliability. And 2 point most surprising in the article. One geothermal pumps can reach 300 until 600% efficiency. Two, a single 2.5 megawatt wind turbine can power 1,400 homes. And last, one question after reading the article is what must a country do to afford the high initial cost of renewable energy integration? Okay, that's all from me. I hope this presentation helped you understand how renewable energy can make your system cleaner and more reliable. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.